Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel of Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In these tutorials, we are learning the basics of HTML5. In today's session, we will learn about hyperlink tag. Of all the tags in HTML, hyperlink tag is kind of important. As we already know, website is nothing but the combination of multiple web pages linked to one another. Hyperlink tag allows us to connect multiple web pages to one another. Let's see how to work with the hyperlink tag. In Notepad++, inside the body tag of HTML5 structure, this is how we start with the tag. In the angle brackets, mention A. Let's specify the content that is to be linked. Page 1 is the content that we want to be linked. Save the page with .html extension and check the output. Now, when you check the output, you will see that page 1 is not linked to any other page. This is because no other page name is given to the tag. To do this, we use the attribute href, which stands for hypertext reference. Let us take two Notepad pages here and save it with the extension .html. Now, mention first Notepad name on the second page href attribute, and second Notepad name to first page href attribute. When you check the result, you will see that both the pages are linked to one another. Next, we will see how to link more than two pages. In here, we have mentioned for hyperlink tag on one page. Make sure that you mention the correct Notepad name to each of the href attribute of hyperlink tag. Let us mention the same on the other Notepad, and also take two new Notepad files. In these files, mention the same content as done in other two. Save all the files with HTML extension. Now, let us specify an attribute, BG color, for the body tag, so that each page gets different background color. Specify this attribute inside all the pages, body tag. To get the color as per your like, you can open Color Picker on search engine, and get the hex code for the selected color. Do this for all the 4 Notepad pages. Once all the background color is set, check the result on the browser screen. With this, we will end this video. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.